Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to add intro into your Facebook dating. Maybe you want to add your intro or a short description of yourself to your Facebook dating but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add your intro to your Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then in here, tap on this heart icon for you to go into this Facebook dating. And then in here, to add intro to your Facebook dating, as you can see in here, we have like you, friendship, and you can swipe it and you will see here the profile. Tap on this profile. And then in here, scroll down and you'll see in here the intro. Anyone on dating can see your intros. So don't share your phone number, address, or email. And then in here, simply tap on this box and then simply describe yourself. For example, I love cats. After that, tap on this save button to continue. And as you can see, profile saved successfully. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add intro to your Facebook dating profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add intro in your Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.